Welcome to Cha Lifestyle. Let me go from the start. Something about this company. The main business of this company is event management business, where he was arranging casinos, cruise, big shot parties for higher people income group, seminars, swimming pools, arranging resorts, restaurants, and many things in event management. FS, flights, ticketing, everything was there dealing with all sorts of business in this event management. But this all these things people were not small common people were not affordable to do to have this lifestyle. So he thought, let us do something for the common people. So he came with this concept of Jar lifestyle. What is Jar lifestyle? Jar lifestyle is a jumpstart and amazing lifestyle solution to a better life. Let me tell about Jar Lifestyle. Jar Lifestyle enables its global community members to share our mission of financial freedom by dynamically engaging through Jar Lifestyle cooperative affiliate business model. This model cultivates substantial passive income streams and opportunities to build generation wealth for its community members. Jar Lifestyle company says the lifestyle of a person who works with our company can change. We give people a chance to earn money so that they can become a self-dependent. This company also promises that the initial members who join us will also get shares of the company. By the way, in our investigation, it has never been shown that a company is in any stock market. But the promise of giving shares is beyond some comprehension. Now let's say what is the mission and vision of this company. Jalapsal mission is to create company where people from all over the world unite to be a part large group with a massive negotiating power when it comes to give you beneficial deals worldwide. Jar Clubs will be a mix of offices, restaurants, bars, nightclubs in cities where we can have a large group of lifestylers. As a lifestyle of a Jar lifestyle, you have the access to Jar Clubs worldwide. People empowering people. What is company profile? Some people say it is a fake company. If it was fake, it was not. It couldn't have registered everywhere. It is registered in all over the world, in every countries. In India, it is also registered. The main office of Jar Lifestyle is in UK, One Canada Square, Canada Wharf, London, United Kingdom. They have also offices in India, 14 Sai Vaibhav Complex, Colony 2 Stage, 80 Feet Road, Basavivara Nagar, Bangalore, Karnataka. They have also many offices in the pipeline, and they have also legal registration in India, in UK. They also have registration, GST registration in India, Pan India, GST number, registration number, TAN number. Every time, all type of legal documents they have all over the world. In every country they are situated. They have around now 5 local offices. Malaysia, India, Indonesia, Nigeria and Bangladesh, and many more offices are in pipeline, which will be shown in later in the website. Who are who are the Jar Lifestyle global service providers? Jar Lifestyle appointed these service providers, 6 service providers, who are the backbone of this Jar Lifestyle. This gives global. These are the service providers. Website developer is the Empire State. Second, advertising agency, yeah, which I will be telling you. Personal verification is done by Nordic Approval. Payment gateway is Rapid. Email provider is Zendesk. And PCI DSS certificates, PCI Security Standard Council, who takes care of your all your security of your system. Why do you have to do now? If how to register in this? Somebody must have told you about something about Jar Lifestyle. You should take his referral link from him. From his referral, you have to register. Once you have registered completely, then one mail will come in your email. That then you have to verify your mail ID and put your login and password number. Again, login it and verify your email ID. And afterwards, you need to do your personal verification, where you need to show your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and your selfie photo, and you have to pay something 18 euro for registration. You have to also register in IA for viewing ads. This also I will be discussing later. The total registration for this KYC is 18 euro, but during registration they will take only 10 euro right now, and the balance 18 euro I will let you know later on, where the 88 euro will be deducted. Now during registration only 10 euro will be deducted, and while you register and do a personal verification, you get JA crypto worth 20 euro, which you will get till 17th December 2021. 17th December 2021. Afterwards, the JA crypto will not be available. Bonus will not be available. There are almost 6 to 7 incomes in JA Lifestyle. First income is share income, where people in earlier stages were given shares. Now company not issuing shares to any newcomers, because all shares, certain incomes, shares has been distributed. What is self income? Self income or ad view income. This is the backbone of this company. From this ad viewing only you will earn money. So how you will do this? You have to register here. After you doing registration here, you will get your login ID and password. You have to register you have to log in and put your password daily and see the 60 ads daily. As you see the ads, some incomes will be shown in your wallet daily. What is 100% referral income? 100% referral income. We all have a habit. When we see something good thing, we tell our friends. So in the same way, somebody must have told something about JA Lifestyle. You also tell something good about Lifestyle. If you tell your friend and he joins this company, and after registering, and if he sees the ad, that also income comes to you. That's called 100% referral income. Means if you have joined 3 persons, all the 3% income will be coming to you, because you have referred them directly. What is Lifestyle monthly bonus? This I will explain later in this video. This is the backbone of this industry. In this, you will generate passive income. JA Crypto I have already discussed. This is available till 17th December 2025. If you want more crypto coins, there are many packages where company is giving you 200% crypto bonus. 200% crypto more means if you are taking package of 50, you get 100 crypto bonus. If you are taking a package of 100, you get 200 crypto bonus. So you can avail this benefits till 17 December 2021. Afterward, this crypto bonus, gifted crypto bonus will not be available. It will stop once this crypto coin wallet website is launched in the company. It will be launched in December by 21st. Before 21st, we are expecting to launch. By 13th it will launch, just saying, but we are expecting till 17th or 18th. This will be launched. So before till 17th only you will get a crypto. After the crypto bonus will be stopped. Then this crypto bonus will be converted into coins, and that will be shown in your JA Lifestyle website. What is self income or ads view income? As you have registered here, you have to daily log in with your ID and password, and daily 60 ads will come. If you see that 60 ads, will generate income from that. Now say your company for yearly package, first it was 1000 euro. Now as per the new plan, you will be getting 1000 euro per year. Monthly you will be getting around 100 euros per month. The per day ad calculation is 0.04 euro. 0.045 euro per day income. per ad income per day per ad income is 0.045, and per day income per daily income is around approximate 3 euro. Now if you have 10 people around you directly, that 3 into 10 30 euros is that way you will get daily. 3 into 10 from 10 members and yours, so 33 euros you will be generating daily. What is referral income? If I have already said, if you have referred 10 person, from each person you will get 3 euros per day. 3 into 10 is 30 euros. This is called, this 30 euros will be added to you. So 30 plus yourself 3 euro, 33. But this income will be come to you only when this referral person sees the ad. You yourself have to see the ad, and this referral person also have to see the ad. If they skip the ad one day, that day income will not come in your wallet. So you have to make sure that each and everyone, including you, have to watch these ads. And this monthly self lifestyle bonus, this I told you, I tell you. In lifestyle bonus, if you take a 50 euro package, in this level income, it is you generate till 7 levels, you get 20 euros. First level you get 5 euros, second to fifth level you get 2 euros, sixth and seventh you get 3 euro, and seventh is 4 euro. Total 20 euros generated in this 7 levels. What is subscription charge? Now say you have 10. Now say you have generated. You have directly 10 people a day in your team. This 40 euros will be deducted first in the first month only for every member. It's not for me. It is for everyone. 40 euros will be generated. If this 10 people does not make a team, this 40 euro will be deducted once only. Once only. If that for 10 people don't make any team, if that 10 people make team below them, bring more members below them, then 48 euro will be deducted every month. But that 40 euro you doesn't need to pay every month. How? Because in when you see the ads, the income will be generated for you. From that income only, the 40 euro will be reserved for the next month, and balance will be paid to you. Now say you have generated in this month 300 euro. The 40 euro will be deducted from your wallet, and balance will be, you can withdraw it. Now how you can generate this monthly lifestyle bonus? Now say you have 3% direct under you. You have to teach this 3% to make how to earn. So this 3% will bring more 3%. Then you have to teach the 9% below you. Then 9% will also teach below 3%. So 27, third level. Then the fourth level, 81 people. Every level 3% will bring 3% members extra. 81 members also bring 3 members. So the fifth level becomes 253, sixth level becomes 729, and seventh level becomes 2187. The total members is 3279 members. Now I have already said, if you take 50 euro package of monthly lifestyle bonus, first level you get 5. See, 3 into 5 is 15. Second to fifth is, I said, 2 euros. So 9 into 2, 18. 27 into 2, 54. 81 into 2, 162. 243 into 2, 486. Then I said in the 6th and 7th, 3 euro, and 7th euro levels, 4 euro. So 729 into 3 is 2187, and 2187 into 4 is 87. Total euro that is accumulated is 11,670 by doing this 3 by 3 matrix. If you make 5 members below you, direct members, then each 5 members have to bring 5 members. Then again the third level, the 5 members, each 5 members, they have to bring 5 multiple of 5 members in below the teams till 7th level. In that way, this way income will be generated. There in 3 matrix here something 11,000 is generated, but say in 5th level it will be more. So it is upon you how much matrix you are making. If you are making 10 matrix team for direct 10, then second 10 level also 10 people will come, around 10 people. Then this way you have to generate this till 7th level. Now say how you get income. Now say in the fifth, now in your team there are 243 people, 1000 people, and say you are taking in the fifth level. In the fifth level there are around 1000 people, and in the fifth level how much money you will get? 1000 into 2 means like 2000 euro you will get in a month. But this money when you will get? When each and every person takes this 15 euro package. If your below team doesn't take 15 euro package, you will not get a monthly lifestyle bonus. It's not necessary that you have taken 50 bonus, you will get a money. No. If you take 50 euro package, the second below your team, every person has to activate the 50 euro. If they activate, then you get monthly lifestyle bonus, and this is a passive income. If you sleep also, any person activates, you will get an income in your wallet. So it is a passive income stream. It is the backbone of this industry. You don't know how much your level of your team will go as your team increases, and how much money you will be earning by passive income. There is one more important thing in this. You can also see ads by free. In this free, how much you get? You get 350 euro yearly. And if you refer any person below you, get 250 euro from the below person. Monthly you get around 30 euro. And if you refer person down from them, you get 21 euro monthly. But I prefer not to go for free package, because free package people are not serious. If they do personal verification by 10 euro, the people get serious and they do hard work. Free people never work, because they think, check one day. They will not see one day ad. They will take everything lightly. It is better you register each and every person. And one drawback in this free. Now say in this now, daily what income you get per ad. Per ad, if you go by free, you get 0.01 euro per day per ad. And for paid package you get 0.045 per ad. So it is 3 times more. So better go. If 60 ads come, your income is approximate. If you go, it is 0.45 or 54 it is, because now the plan is activated. New plan is come, is first about 1000 euro, now it is 1200 euro per year. So it is approximately 30 euro per day. Means in a monthly you get approximate 100 euros. Per day you get 3 euros. And a monthly you get around approximate 100 euro per month from one person. So you better go for the paid package. Do your personal verification. You get per person you will get 100 euro if they do personal verification. That's a benefit. And if you go for free package, monthly you get 30 euro. You get only 30 euro for monthly, and in a paid package you get 100 euro. So you can withdraw, and for withdrawal, approximate withdrawal is 100 euro only you want for withdrawal, for minimum withdrawal amount. So it is better to take this to your personal verification and take the paid package only, and try to avoid this free package, because if for free package you will also needing more members, and this in free package you need 4 persons, in paid package you only need 2 persons, so almost 3 times more for free members. So better avoid the free package. A minimum withdrawal for this from Jaa Lifestyle is 100 euro. Now companies have introduced debit card, where whatever commission that is generated from Jaa Lifestyle, you can withdraw money from your debit card. For that some cost is kept. For 20 euro you can purchase this debit card. From any ATM all over the world you can withdraw money from their currency. Whatever money is there in your wallet, that you can withdraw from the ATM machine. So there is no need of any bank account. Only from the debit card you can withdraw money. And second, you can second people in future companies also trying to bring e-shopping, e-portals, where all people who are showing ads in the company will put their products in this e-shopping portal. Then you can purchase your product from this e-portal, shopping portal also, from your commission earned. You can, and that things will be delivered in your residence. That also is advantage. There, if you see, there are almost 5 things in one platform: share market, second is crypto, self ad view, referral sash, referral pass, ad view, and e-shopping portal. So everything is under one platform only. So this is the biggest advantage, and the biggest advantage of this platform is the crypto coins and the shares, which is the backbone and the high earning income, because this shares and this coin value will go very very vast, where we cannot think also. So register now, take this benefit. Register before 17th December, so you can get free gifted crypto coins, crypto bonus. You can take packages from this company where you got 200% crypto bonus. Means if you have taken €50 package, you will get 100 crypto bonus. So avail this benefit before 17th December 2021 and get registered as soon as you are possible. Create a big team and be a financial freedom person. Thank you.